Automatic glass filling. I use two modules for this project. One is infrared module and another is relay module. Connect DC 5 volt to breadboard from 5 volt adapter. All the holes of red line are positive and all the holes of blue line are negative. Place infrared module on breadboard. Connect VCC of infrared module with any positive hole of breadboard. Connect ground of infrared module with any negative hole of breadboard. Connect VCC of relay module with any positive hole of breadboard. Connect ground of relay module with any negative hole of breadboard. Connect input 1 of relay module with D0 of infrared module. Plugged 5 volt adapter. When I placed a glass in front of IR sensor, the indicator LED of relay 1 is on. When I remove glass, indicator LED is off. Now I have to connect an aquarium AC pump with relay 1. Cut one wire and connect with common and normally open terminal of relay 1. Remove infrared module from breadboard and connect 3 wire as previous connection. After connection, test it again. Place and adjust infrared module. Place the pump inside water tray. When I place a glass in front of infrared module, pump is on, and when remove glass, pump is off. Hope you like the video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.